aboard the Walt Disney World Express Monorail, our highway in the sky to the Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. We are circling the Seven Seas Lagoon. Rising from the Magic Kingdom on the opposite shore are the spires of Space Mountain in Tomorrowland, Cinderella Castle in Fantasyland, and our newest attraction, Splash Mountain in Frontierland. The Disney-created Seven Seas Lagoon is connected by an unusual water bridge to Bay Lake. On the opposite side of the monorail and among the trees on the south shore of Bay Lake is Disney's North Wilderness Resort and Campground. Our newest vacation resort is Disney's Wilderness Lodge, which captured the spirit of the Western lodges built for the National Park Service during the early part of the century.
That was you a while ago, dear.
I know.
You're so good.
Hello, Central. Ready? Central, 5. Black.
Entering Disney's Contemporary Resort. Here on the Grand Canyon Concourse are shops and restaurants. Outdoor recreation includes boating and tennis. During your stay with us, we invite you to stop by our Disney Vacation Club information centers. Disney Vacation Club is an innovative concept in family vacationing. Disney Vacation Club information... Ladies and gentlemen, we're approaching our station at the entrance to Main Street, USA, gateway to the 7 themed lands of the Magic Kingdom. If this is your first time here, we invite you to stop by City Hall on Main Street, where you can make Disney hotel reservations or get suggestions on planning your visit. Guided tours depart from City Hall each morning.